Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Here only a quick middle of the day update. Not too much has happened other than we've come actually into my support area that I communicated earlier to you in the video. It's the same support area that we had on the chart yesterday, and we have now reached the golden ratio. In all of these recent support areas and also in the resistance area here, Ethereum since Saturday has reached, and also, well, I think this drop as well, they all came down to the golden ratio, the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. So they all reacted, Ethereum always reacted to the golden ratio. Now again, the thing is, this is an ideal time to now turn around. Ideally, it turns around from here. Okay, if it doesn't, then we have one more chance to test 1611, but below 1611 it will reduce massively the chances of a successful 1-2 setup here. It will not be officially invalidated until it breaks below 1597, but you know, as always with all of these 1-2 setups, if it breaks below the 78.6 retracement, it increases the probabilities significantly that it will break eventually and may then retest the weekend lows, which are around 1558. But for now, I'm still slightly more in favor of a breakout to the upside, also because Ethereum's behavior here to the upside is slightly more impulsive than Bitcoin's. Yeah, so for Ethereum, I would say probabilities are a little higher than Bitcoin to continue to move higher. But then again, you know, it is unlikely that Ethereum does one thing and Bitcoin another. So it's more important to be aware now of these key support levels. When they break, we're going to move down to the next relevant support, which is 1559, which is the weekend low, and to test that. But at the moment, we're still in the primary expectation overall. Yeah. And even if we sort of break down from this micro setup, we still would not invalidate the overall expectation that we have still a chance to rally here to 1900 plus in an extension of the fifth wave of that larger impulse that started in November. However, if you look at this and zoom out a little bit, I mean, this move down, you could count that as an impulse as well, the move up correctively. So probabilities, as I said in the Bitcoin video as well, at the moment, unless we now finally see a rally in the third wave here, probabilities are fairly neutral here, fairly close together, and it's getting tougher. And that's also why I added this orange support area, orange indicating more risk. Probabilities are close together, things are getting a little bit less clear. So again, this now needs to turn around either here or from 1611. It formed possibly here an expanded flat pattern, and there is not much more to add. This is really what it is. And if it breaks to the upside and moves higher, targets are 1704, and then the key target here will be 1770 of circle wave 3. And yeah, we've got 3 waves down now. The last wave down is impulsive. That's not a problem because it would be a C wave. And yeah, so good indication that we are finally heading towards 1770. Would be a break finally above the 1670 level. But it's not exactly one particular price point here. Prices are too dynamic. We are making higher highs, higher lows, and then need to break out above the 1670 area. And important is that we sustain above that level. Yeah, not have basically a fake out in the wick above it and just break down, which led to this overshooting B wave here. And what else to highlight? Well, we can also measure the length of the A wave. We go to the high of the B wave, and we can see that the 1.618 extension points to 1622. Now that is an absolute relevant level because this is an ideal target for the C wave. That's why I think it should ideally turn around here. At the moment, it doesn't really show it wants to, so maybe one more low. But the 1.618 extension is a key level for a C wave in such a flat pattern. And yeah, it's really this area that needs to hold in the very short term. Maybe we get a bit more clarity later today. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.